Good day, my fellow Horti. For this video, I will discuss about the low maintenance perennial plants. This is a very interesting video, so I would like you all to finish this video so that you will learn about the low maintenance perennial plants. However, before I will going to start the video, if you are not still subscribed in my channel, please subscribe now and like, share, and click the bell notification button so that you will be notified on my next video. This will help us a lot as content creator. Are you ready to rumble now? Our part 2 video in low maintenance perennial vegetable plants, I will discuss about other perennial plants such as rhubarb, sea kale, and sorrel. Now let's start in rhubarb perennial plants. Rhubarb is a reliable favorite in the edible gardening world. Rhubarb plants are prolific producers, require minimal maintenance, and have a wide variety of culinary applications. Their tart stalks are staples in sweet dishes such as pies, jams, and crumbles, but can also be used in savory dishes and even beverages. While rhubarb leaves are not edible, their large size and crinkled texture add a lush tropical feel to the garden. Rhubarb is a perennial in USDA zones 3 to 9 and can be readily divided and transplanted to help establish new crops. Rhubarb is often the first thing up early spring with bold, crinkled leaves and ruby red stalks that add structure to the kitchen garden before much else is awake. It can thrive with a bit of shade. It's a flexible fit for edible landscapes. Next to be discussed is sea kale. If you're a kale lover, I have some good news for you. Sea kale is the low-maintenance perennial version you have to try in your garden. Growing in more of a mounding fashion, it often reaches 2 to 3 feet in height and makes a beautiful companion to fellow edible plants like chard, peas, radishes, nasturtium, and fennel. All parts of the plant are edible with a similar taste to the traditional kale you're likely used to. Young shoots and leaves can be eaten raw in salads, while older leaves are better to combat the bitter flavor. It grows best in full sun and well-draining soil and is a perennial in USDA zone 6 to 9. The last perennial vegetable that I am going to discuss is sorrel. I think lots of you are still not familiar about sorrel, and we don't even see sorrel personally. Well, sorrel is an easy to grow perennial vegetable. This perennial vegetable and herb is known for its tangy lemon-like flavor, which makes it a great addition to salads, soups, sauces, and more. The red-veined sorrel variety can be also placed in your perennial beds as an ornamental and can be an abundant companion to your berry bushes and fruit trees around your property. Sorrel grows best in a sunny to partially shaded location in well-drained acidic soil. Since the leaves are the desirable part of the plant, ensure you regularly remove flower heads to encourage more foliage production. Dividing every few years is recommended to prevent overcrowding, which is the perfect excuse to start a new crop or share a plant with a friend.